These are the cars, as I speak to you, they are actually giving out. They are moving all these cars. And we will publish this list. You will see a list of overstayed vehicles and motorbikes for publications. Tema. I want to send some message out there. Sometimes when my team, we put things out, and I say a time will be, and we hit people. There's nothing I'll put, and also my team will put on my platform and you're verified. No. And I want to set some records here. Now, there's something I want us to talk about, very important, and it's got to do with Inyomebia AC Ewo Tema Port. Tema Port. Right now, as I speak to you, vehicles are what Tema Port, and this goes to the boggers. And Abana Mufre Fie, Kache Fie for say, Omoma Ede, Omobusia for, and Toma John Mahama, and Yadia Deno. Majority of you boggers are Moto Abano. My wife attacks my dear anniversary. Majority, my wife will have shown you feel guys. Who artists are to me member, or who's a bit to me, man, club. I man, now, my wife for him to be out. Every day my wife to watch me. Me feel, yeah. So, there's something happening at the Tema Port, and what is happening in the say, especially more boggers and more brutal, when I was some concentration course, especially in Yansafona. Moto abase sebi port wo nyoma entumi fluid yentumi tete nyoma so cars amode ba na containers amode ba na aban bi beba obetie musufre se na be amoso betumi nyoma be fia munuanom ene mebusuafo no so at least they can get something doing, because we all know that the shipping and export or the importing of stuff into Ghana, no, one way or the other, it creates jobs for other people back home. Akufo-Addo ne ba omi abetena so no, and we have seen the decline. The number of containers are bogus to me the buffy because of the high taxes are more the car could report and there's something we have bug and also a bugger papa wouldn't say from 2012 all the way to 2016 buggers were able to bring containers home to me clear without any hustle until sa achichide with twice on a year about the mobile power, and we saw the increment in everything at the port. Now buggers mena me information muntie me. And this is the time you need to let your voices be heard, because media can give the facts. It's up to us to push. And this goes to the NDC administration coming into office. Now, there's something happening at the Tema Port. And what is happening in the say, in Kofo we are mufri abayimu Kasa what Tema Port mo bogus dia mu pesika be they are taking the cars out and giving to their party people. Omo de mamba. So Tema Port is here. There are a lot of cars right now as we speak. This NPP government, they are moving all the cars out. So car did 2 days and what they are doing now, and they say they know they are leaving power, they know they are getting out. More cars port where they are finding ways to say the demurrage way delay and that is what they are doing now. In fact, I think 2020 there was one gentleman near a friend a year Konkonsa no Jubilee House Mokai. That guy in the ding Eddie Dominic Oponwe J. Asem we around 2020 in the CA. That guy is in America right now, and I see him every day, and the time will be due, because you see that guy not Oyejumo Jubilee House. This is the guy. This guy. Sorry. Name, picture. Yeah, this is the guy, and he lives here in America. Now Oyejumo Jubilee House. He was in charge of transport. The dean Eddie Dominic Oponwe J. I've heard they say, Jubilee House, I'm an Besha America. He's here. And I'll try and get you people his address. The crime this guy committed in Ghana, Besha America, no? I'm telling you, we didn't see that. That way he was in charge. And before I'm about Tema Port issue, what these people do into when it comes to cars, bogus, listen to me. And the John Mahama administration, they are ready to help. But these people, no, some mama money and come from Nama monitor. Mobaka say John Mahama dimu boni, John Mahama nyemoshe. Let us monitor these people, because boni omudi ni sisiano. In the next 2-3 weeks, no, aseme besino. You people will have no idea. And the beya saboga okawa bruchiri. Now at the end of the day, they check MPP girl. They check MP ladies for Baumia, ladies for Akufo-Addo. Ebe yasa obeba na car, or the Range Rover ba, or the V8 ba, or the DND ba, near their check party nibi, because omnum some free power. There's a reason why I make a story where about this gentleman no Juma wo Jubilee House. Now in charge of the transport. Some man we at a point cars about 16 V8 boy we actually nyina irae. Otoni nyina. Excavators by 18. This guy. Saadi ani see you know some kai sa story na and a free pare e catch media houses ni nyina say nobody should report the story because majority of the cars no na free pare ye dem on okoton ye. Enti omo ye saadi ni see you know and omo kill story no. In fact, the story was published in the news. These are the cars dodo a abrantie we time na oye head of transport e Jubilee House. Oria ye be seen na. We don't know where all these cars are. I'll come to the Tema Port issue. Mitchell BB. Okay. So Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis number. Sa cars na under that guy. Sa guy did the picture chire no ye head of transport of Jubilee House no. Cars are oria ya ye hu cars na chibium. 18 excavators ebe sin na ye hu bium. Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis number blah blah blah. Toyota Land Cruiser with chassis. This V8 ni sa cars when you be sin na ye hu bium. That is why Fremont Paramacas will measure America. In that I speak, this guy are not our friend Konkonsa and Nidin Eddie Dominic upon which are not the head of transport at Jubilee House. He's in America here. And all these cars as we speak, we can't find it. We cannot find them. They are gone, the excavators are gone, and this guy is hiding here with the money. I know he lives around Maryland somewhere. He's around here. And this is something that is about to happen again. Now, let me show you what is happening at Tema Port. Bogus na mutim no, worship car. Say Akufo-Addo ebe free power mujimia omobeton mo car no. Almost start check cars no. Almost start yima party foot soldiers. You have to be very, very, very careful. Mama muni embra from. Now, these are the cars as I speak to you. They are actually giving out. Omu cars we free Tema Port. They are moving all these cars. And we will publish this list. You will see a list of overstayed vehicles and motorbikes for publications. Tema. Inti almost say when you na demorage at chomo, when you na fame. This is what is happening at the port. And the good thing is we have been able to investigate Akodu point now. Sir officers who are leading this no, we have chats. We have phone conversations. Officers are only Jubilee House for Konaive, Lord Komi, and Captain Kodamo, and Gabio Chedakuma. All these cars and your casket were just one page of what I am telling you. And these are cars that belongs to you bogus. Almost shada and delay cars, no. And as I speak, bare 100 they are taking all these cars out. And the good thing is, you officials on your side in custom officials on your MPP4. Jubilee House, and that is what they are doing now. In this girls for Baumia, boys for Mahama, Akufo-Addo, virgins for Fremont Paris, Fremont Paris lesbian. Those kids, no, and after Omuyimukas no HMOMO. So when you see the list, we are publishing list on our site, on Loud Silence TV, on With All Due Respect page. You will see check it or chassis number, not check your car. We are talking about serious cars, motorbikes. Almost in the demorage at show on person turning in our. And the funny thing is, they are not selling it and taking money, they are giving it out. That is what they are doing. They are giving the cars out for free because position also cars in the position. And this goes to the bogus. This is what you have been talking about. This government has never helped bogus. Majority of properties are Modeba Ghana. Na sanko for we aje. Majority of Nyama Modeba Ghana. Na MPP are buying we aje. There are some people are almost losing be beer under this government. And these are some of the things that worries Ghanaians because you will be a broche or the car ba. Some more the chance will be car. Almost say no. No more the taxes are better so. No more be beer to steal these cars. Where one page. Opel, your Hyundai, your 2024. Cars in 2024, 2023. These are all accurate. Mercedes Benz. Your Kia Prado, Nissan, your Toyota Corollas. I mention another page. There's the second page. Opel Meriva, Toyota Yaris, Chevys, motorbikes, So many of them. And what I can tell you as a Ghanaian, we are boga o shipon your makofie. Ma we ni na ho o cast no. Omo the cast no MPP for us start to trick cast no the chair. Omo the UCSC. Majority of Esikafo mo Ghana ene eye omo garages. Your uncofo bi o car garages or Ghana. Cars is so nyina stolen cars. E ho na omo de kwa kwesi omo tu car na da kwesi obi garage bibi oton car. Into them their front car mu ebia 5, 10, 20 na esiwo. Omega so bogus the new cars about omoboa. These are motorbikes, cars, MPP are buying as started the chiche. So after this, I will publish everything. Wait, so many of them. And the officers at the port doing this, we have your contact, we have your chat. Officers need become more port cars be about 50 cars officers nafa. And you see, this is what hurts. Because abai besesa, we need to pay attention to these things. Abai we Jimmy conformi akrom for. We are not supposed to give them space. Into our brochura, you need to add your voice to this. You be publish it, go through it. Oka woma need to follow up because omo edicast na me mamba omo chiche. Make my catch say yo hini bi Ghana ha or Eastern region or you be 20 akoma no. Omo chiche cast na around. I know what I'm telling you. So do not play with this. Omo Toyota Vitz, Honda Accord, Ford F250, Omo Ford F150, Nissan Frontier, Nissan Rogues, Hyundai's, Omo Nissan X, Mercedes-Benz GLS 450, Omo Volvo Trackhead. Sanyo mani nyina. As I speak to you, Omo chini nyina film. The NPP is a crazy party. Muma ye nyina sorry as bogus. I am doing this for bogus. I want you people to understand and your personal. Your person ye body kroni and then you cannot pay even taxes at the port. It's too much. And this is what John Mahama is talking now. I've been talking about. They want to help solve these problems. John Mahama on the sea terminal Temahabo. The second phase, you see how beautiful it is. Yeah. Because every time I say John Mahama ton, I on ton is Ghana. Because some people for Jimmy. So we need to get serious and aggressive. These are the cars. Don't underestimate the MPP. When you know Bebre or somebody be kwa Abidjan, somebody be other countries. Bogus and cars Galore Tema port. Mon starting your calls. Media bamon kasama kanchi mo. Mon starting your calls. You better publish it everything on our page tonight after the show. Go there, pick the documents, go through and find your car. Nebusa buying this car no way. Akufo-Addo netiso. John Mahama will be president from the 7th of January. John Mahama nyanya president. Ya tunu swaba mane wini. Ye nyamfa Ghana and share nsa. Inti kwa siebi to Maryland. No kacha say John Mahama aba na 5 days ni John Mahama nchi obi akaje nsene ma me we Jimmy enya saa ne chechire man. John Mahama will be president from the 7th of January. Right now is Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia ne lead Ghana. Omo na mu lead Ghana. Omo na president. Omo na take decisions. The air so ewo airport ho nyina na Akufo-Addo na make decisions no. Bawumia ne Samira Bawumia, let me tell you. Samira Bawumia owo a dying apartment called 150 wakra. Samira Bawumia nkwa. Yeah. Samira Bawumia a dying. Samira Bawumia or 150. Don't underestimate these people. You made the right decision by voting against them. Now you don't have to rest. We need to make sure say ya GBBR because bogus into me nyejuma abruchi na kwasi ebi ntina Ghana and form candy. No. The thing called demurrage or see a twem. It is very important say demurrage near the adeni yebetwem because sa eno ne mamu eye that opportunity. Sa nkwasi afoni bi no more port wono any politicians bi say Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia to steal from us. We need anytime John Mahama say they are going to try and make sure say importers mo kranyoma ediba Ghana any mo ship nyoma ko Ghana exporters no. What John Mahama person me say say they want to have specialized banks for you people mo betimi the banks they din komo edi eyensa woso enti sa bank no kwa oso mo swame o me okokompe media me kra engines media me kra cars sika me here am no kra cars no 200 million cedis. Right now no sa banks no omo den omo warehouses e wo port wo into kwa They now carry beduna. Now the bank negotiate. No, you can akwesi edi. Akwesi ni garage wo. That means untua demurrage bia ewo hefa. Ewo Tema port. Now can one bank ne can because bank no on charge with demurrage. Now when ne kasa na obetua. That is how it works. That's how you help the citizens. And then John Mahama say, "Sani wasi ye no." Into your bag now crowd nyoma edru porter bank on Indian Jubano. Na bank na be nyoma na kogu ni warehouse. Into when the government of Ghana need demurrage bia adiachi and a utua 20,000 dabi. What the only bank na ka say bibia be cost 2 million Ghana. Oba nyoma ni be report da na bank na assist no move nyoma nyina kogu ni warehouse. Into one demurrage is gone. Uni ekabia oho. Into sika o de kwakofa aya nyoma no esonte. Now on the bank reading card na say that say okay saa sika muji me the 3 months betua if you say me nyoma with the 3 months na sa na bank no waka interest no say 3 months say the beye say 1 year say the beye say 2 days on the bank na can nice do you nyoma kofie now o capital da ho when na John Mahama e ka so pese oye kwase afo we da ho tete aban mu emi enya emma omoba aburuchire betena mpa so ebe bi omaha mu style omunya bi da na ende paper nti yetumi bomb to no omoma pem ban enso omobeji because omo pekrata mema sa nkwasi afore ndada o right now yanko enim I want to send some message out there. Sometimes when my team we put things out and you say be a time will be and we hate people. There's nothing I'll put and answer my team will put on my platform and you're verified. No. And I want to set some records here. And let me tell you one thing. There are so many people I know Mejuma will affect I couldn't do anything about. And there are some people, sometimes I'm about to do their scandal. They talk to me and I tell them I can't do anything about it. And they are all over the place. They know, Ibu MPP, Ibu NDC. So it is not like a personal, your funny people who time say, the best come wasem. Answer the Becca Simbo Hana, near verification, no, I check him who say, right now, no, after our break, you know, we are going to go full force. Illegal mining in Ghana. Guys, Mamika be binchemo. The gold for oil, no, sika amanfu ewia efri mu nsemu no, I swear to God. Sa gold for oil na ba omi ade buy no. The theft, the amount of money they have stolen through Bank of Ghana. So Tibia, you will not understand. And there are some boys today in Ghana for about 4, 5, 6 years. They thought to say, "Sa power kakrana MPP buy omunya enti." And a typical example is this guy. Sa guy, your friend, your son Apia. This guy, he's a gold dealer. This is the guy some time back, Kumasi. There was a gold buyer. Kwano Kumasi no a call Eastern region. Eastern region or Galam say a honor to gold. Or my boys is no more sense as not to gold. This guy, Jubilee House, and a Shenichi. This guy, there was a man in Kumasi who also could be in the shop our Eastern region. Udu enyinem area wako honor pretty free. Sakwa we your friend your son Apiano me say you could break the bar amafo be dwane omu name. This guy, the damage he has done to people. Me say a typical example, a young man be no Kumasi or Eastern region also not otuto good legitimately. Akwa we efa boys are not double the DNM. They went to threaten that guy. Echi tuo sinito eka kire say adentina ono aba eye Eastern region or to good too much into a territory. This guy Emma Okito Saga and so say all free Eastern region. Emma double more Jubilee House and the crimes this boy has committed. Say okay, can't say I supported some NDC MPs to come to parliament. What bodam? You supported NDC MPCB to come to parliament. Intelligence say you get out of you go through the cracks like that. You are crazy. NDC MP for Mumejo Kwasia. This guy only used to double mo and no boat war Ghana. Utu fear no Roshi will fear. They did that to a friend Ewo Kumasi, a legitimate gold buyer. Akwa we the double mo ko treat two on so. This boy your friend. Your friend your son appear. Maybe chell chronom the go for oil na board. This boy sika o matam every way. These are the boys power sign no mo dwen say power will never leave the NPP. Bonia boys we dino. And maybe chiremo the transactions. A wood dear boy we dear double mo NPP vigilante boys e di Ghana. Heh. Ultimate na kumas na kwa we. Ya my instructions every ultimate catch us a Jubilee House say this guy. But he never thought to say power best son. Me didn't come and at I'm coming to do a serious job for Ghanaians to know this guy is not supposed to work on the streets of Ghana, so could jail.